Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made Aquaman's Trident. So first off, I looked up online, how much Photoshop, and I enlarged it super large and just took sections and printed it all out and kind of measured how big I wanted it to be. And I wanted it to be about the height of my husband, so 6'6", around-ish, maybe a little bit taller. And then I got this wood board that was, I believe, 8 feet long, and I had to cut it down quite a bit to make it the right height I wanted. And I taped the image on, traced it, and quite a bit to make it the right height I wanted. And I taped the image on, traced it, and with the straight pole line, I just kind of used a ruler, so I didn't have to print that part out. And then I just started cutting it all out. So I cut it out with a huge hand saw at first, just the straight parts of the trident, and then I got a jigsaw and did the curved parts. First draw it out and then Dremel, and I had to do this for several days because my Dremel would get too hot and then I'd have to take a little break and Dremel some more, sort of thing. So it took a while, but after I dremeled the rough shape out, I sanded it all smooth down. added some detail lines, and then I didn't want it to be like a gaudy gold color because I was thinking I would like this to be like also an art piece decorative thing in my house. So I did this kind of bronzy brown color. Dun 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 dun. Come on, wield it, Kenna. Swing it around. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and stay tuned for more Halloween costumes that I'm going to be making this year. It's going to be fishy themed, so Aquaman, Ursula, Little Mermaid, you know, shark sort of theme. So stay tuned to that.